Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best wireless TKL keyboards. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the wireless TKL keyboards in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best wireless TKL keyboards on the market right now. Coming at number 10, SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. The Apex Pro from SteelSeries is extremely distinctive. To achieve a certain feel, the Apex Pro uses patented OmniPoint switches with adjustable resistance and actuation rather than choosing a particular mechanical key type. You can alter the feel of most keys whenever you want to suit your taste for various tasks using SteelSeries engine configuration software. The linear style keys have a distinctive feel that could take some getting used to, but they are incredibly useful for anyone who wants to experiment and find exactly what they prefer. Plus, the Apex Pro TKL has a substantial selection of opulent features for a TKL keyboard. It boasts an embedded OLED screen for controlling the keyboard settings and can even show helpful information for some games and apps. It also has a separate volume wheel for rapid sound adjustments, a USB pass-through, a detachable wrist rest, and a USB port. Like the majority of gaming keyboards, SteelSeries Engine enables you to customize its RGB illumination, save various setup profiles, and more. Since many of the keyboards on our list are designed for gaming, there are lots of excellent alternatives if the Apex Pro's novel approach seems hazardous. However, you won't discover another keyboard quite like this one. Number 9. Corsair K70 RGB TKL. Although the Corsair K70 RGB TKL is not the cheapest TKL keyboard available, it offers excellent value for the money. Many small conveniences are included, from standard TKL enhancements like PBT keycaps and programmable RGB illumination to uncommon extras like built-in media buttons and a volume roller. Since the Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion series is a sports keyboard rather than merely a gaming keyboard, it also has features like a hertz polling and a tournament mode switch, which temporarily disables custom macros and other features that might cause a distraction during legitimate competitive play. Although some people might find that to be unimportant, the other quality of life features are fantastic for gamers of any age. A gamer couldn't ask for more with a completely programmable deck and some dazzling LED RGB effects. Coming at number 8, Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. One of our favorite wireless gaming keyboards is the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro because it provides a full-size, full-height mechanical switch feel in addition to all the capabilities you'd expect from a high-end gaming keyboard. This includes the keyboard's aluminum top plate and the premium double-shot ABS plastic keycaps, which performed well in tests and look good while outlasting competitors in terms of smudge resistance. 4 onboard memory profiles and a comfortable, velvety leatherette magnetic wrist rest are also included. Unfortunately, in order to employ RGB effects other than the 7 that are already saved in the keyboard's memory, you must use the software. Additionally, it lacks macro keys, which its main competition, the Logitech G915 lightspeed, offers. But ultimately, the BlackWidow V3 Pro delivers everything you'd expect from an expensive, top-of-the-line gaming keyboard. Coming at number 7, Redragon K596 Vishnu. Redragon isn't exactly a well-known gaming brand in the US, but it's hard to disagree with the $70 price of the K596 Vishnu. This 10-keyless 2.4 GHz wireless gaming keyboard includes linear switches, a metal volume button, RGB, dedicated macro, and media keys, as well as a hard plastic wrist rest. And all of that for far less than half the cost of the more well-known rival. While playing games and typing, the K596 Vishnu feels sturdy and is comfortable to use, even though the shell's plastic material does appear to be somewhat subpar. F1 through F8 are designated as supplementary media controls, despite the fact that there is a bank of specific media buttons to their right. This is only one example of the design's quirkiness. Even still, this is one heck of a keyboard for $70, especially in light of the fact that Logitech's G915 TKL cost more than 3 times as much and omits a wrist rest. The K596 Vishnu easily wins a high spot in the pantheon if you're looking for a small, vibrant wireless gaming keyboard on a tight price. Number 6. Logitech Ergo K860. Looking for a wireless keyboard that is trustworthy, adaptable, and relaxing to use. With a split keyboard design that is intended to assist you to keep your hands in position and lessen strain, the Logitech Ergo K860 is all of these things. The feet on the keyboard's front side of the chassis, which allow you to adjust the keyboard's deck height, are one of our favorite features. That's significant for those of us who use standing desks because we frequently switch between sitting and standing, which alters where our arms rest on the table. For maximum compatibility, the Logitech Ergo K860 works with both Bluetooth and Logitech's proprietary USB receiver. You may quickly switch between associated devices, such as a laptop and an iPad or a desktop PC and a phone, using the 3-device pairing keys. Easy peasy. Coming in at number 5, Corsair K63 Wireless. The feature-rich Corsair K63 Wireless is a small device with amazing features. Talk about switches made by Cherry 1010 Red. You got it. Wrist rest and media controls. You got it. Blue backlights. You got it. I'm hesitant because the K63 Wireless battery life is already dreadfully short without it, which is why, with the light set to medium brightness, its integrated rechargeable battery only lasts 15 hours and 25 hours with the light set to the lowest brightness. With the backlights off, Corsair claims that the battery life is 75 hours, at which point it seems unnecessary to include the backlight. For uninterrupted gaming, Corsair advises plugging it in, but doesn't that undermine the idea of a wireless keyboard? Aside from the battery issue, the K63 Wireless is a reliable board. With its useful features and responsive keys, going through your day is made a little bit simpler. For gaming in the living room, you may also place the K63 Wireless on the Corsair lap board. Coming at number 4, Lenovo ThinkPad TrackPoint Keyboard 2. Whether you're sitting on the couch, typing into your set-top box, media PC, or at your desk, switching back and forth between a Raspberry Pi and your PC, a lightweight wireless keyboard is a very helpful tool. While you can get serviceable wireless keyboards for less than $30, most of these have mediocre typing experiences and uncomfortable touchpads, if they have pointing devices at all. Anyone who has ever used one of Lenovo's well-known business notebooks will be familiar with the excellent typing and navigation experience provided by the ThinkPad TrackPoint Keyboard 2. Because it navigates using Lenovo's renowned TrackPoint pointing stick, it is substantially smaller than rivals who must find a place for cumbersome touchpads. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity, allowing you to work on 2 computers simultaneously without having to often detach and reconnect. For a wireless keyboard that isn't a gaming keyboard, the Lenovo TrackPoint Keyboard 2 is expensive, but its small size and unique pointing mechanism make it the perfect choice for anyone who requires a small, portable keyboard that can quickly switch between devices. Number 3. Asus ROG Falchion NX. The Asus ROG Falchion NX fits as many features as you could want in a gaming keyboard into a tiny frame. Thanks to its arrow keys, navigation keys, innovative side touch panel, and wireless macro recording capabilities, you don't have to worry about losing functionality with this board. Despite its 65% frame, this board does have per-key RGB lighting, although customizing it means navigating Asus clunky Aura Creator software. Making up for that, though, are other premium features like double-shot PBT keycaps and the ability to connect over both a USB-C to USB-A cable and 2.4 GHz wireless. This board is incredibly practical for many kinds of use cases when you consider the side touch panel's capacity to save up to 5 gesture-based actions, which isn't something you can always say about 65% of keyboards. Coming at number 2, Logitech G915 Lightspeed. The Logitech G915 Lightspeed keyboard looks remarkably elegant for a mechanical gaming keyboard. A 22mm thin slate covered in low-profile switches, it has a futuristic appearance reminiscent of Apple that is distinct and intriguing. The Logitech G915's name includes the term Lightspeed, which alludes to the company's own wireless technology. It utilizes a 2.4 GHz lightspeed connection to connect to your PC through a USB dongle, but it also supports Bluetooth wireless for non-gaming purposes. If the per-key RGB illumination is on, you can expect to get about 40 hours of use off of a single charge. However, turning it off will increase your use time. Ultimately, the Logitech G915 Lightspeed is an outstanding wireless mechanical gaming keyboard that defies convention and looks good doing it. Whether it's worth over $200, an extremely high price for a TKL is up to you. Number 1. Razer Huntsman V2 TKL. The Huntsman V2 TKL is a surprisingly well-balanced gaming keyboard that functions well for typing on a daily basis as well as for competitive gaming. Razer's Synapse 3 desktop app lets you tune each key, alter the RGB lighting, and create macros just as with most gaming keyboards. The lettering will never deteriorate thanks to the PBT double-shot keycaps. Even the wrist pad is removable when you receive it, but its best feature is the super responsive typing performance. However, the kicker which makes it stand out for non-gamers is its built-in sound dampening foam that reduces the typing noise that makes mechanical keyboards hard to use considerately in the workplace. The Huntsman V2 also offers the 8 Hz polling rate setting that Razer has added to some of its sports-focused equipment. At 8 Hz, Razer claims the Huntsman V2 can send signals with only 0.2 ms of input lag. That higher performance comes at a cost. However, using that high setting can lightly tax your PC in a way that using most keyboards simply does not. Luckily, you don't have to use 8 Hz polling to enjoy using the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL. It is simply a snappy, easy typing keyboard that can work wonders for anybody. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best wireless TKL keyboards. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.